My dear students, in this video, we will be discussing a very important topic. We're talking about applied mathematics, Unit 1, numbers, quantification, and numerical applications. In this video, our main topic which we are picking up is pipes and cisterns. We have already done similar topic in class 10th also. So quickly, let's take revision. Let's talk about the basic concepts and then we'll move on to some questions. First of all, we'll have to understand what is inlet pipe and what is outlet pipe. In the problems on pipes and cisterns, we usually come across these two types of pipes which are described here. So let's understand what are they. Inlet pipe. So this is your tank, okay? And this is your inlet pipe. As you can see, it helps in filling the tank. So let's understand it. A pipe connected with a tank or a reservoir or a cistern that fills it is called inlet pipe. Then what is your outlet pipe? Outlet pipe is basically a pipe which helps in cleaning the tank, or I would say उसमें से आप पानी निकाल लेते हो, ठीक है, निकल जाता है बाहर, खाली कर देते हैं हम अपने टैंक को. So a pipe connected with a tank or a reservoir or a cistern that empties it is called outlet pipe. तो basically होता क्या है बेटा, जब इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं तो हमारे पास कुछ दो तीन चीजें होंगी. क्या होगा, ये हमारा this is our tank, this is our pipe number 1, this is our pipe number 2, and here we have some leakage or maybe another pipe which is helping in emptying the tank. तो या तो क्या हमसे पूछा जाएगा, how much time it takes to fill the tank helping these two pipes, या फिर कहा जा सकता है कि ये पाइप आपका फिल हो रहा है, इससे पानी, इस टैंक से पानी बाहर आ रहा है. तो आप बताइए कि आपका टैंक कितनी देर में खाली होगा या कितनी देर में भरा होगा. कई बार ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि दोनों पाइप्स काम कर रहे हैं, पानी भर रहे हैं, और ये तीसरा पाइप या वो कह सकते हैं लीकेज है पाइप में, और लीकेज में भी वो बता रहे हैं कि कितनी आपकी पाइप की लीकेज कितनी फास्ट हो रही है, कितने टाइम में कितना लीकेज हो रहा है. तो उस केस में आपका पानी, आपका टैंक कितनी देर में फिल होगा. तो ऐसे कुछ तरह तरह के क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आपके पास आएंगे, कुछ बहुत अच्छे लेवल के या हो सकता है कुछ बड़े ही बेसिक. तो चलिए पहले लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द फॉर्मूलाज सो दैट वी कैन रिमेम्बर द कॉन्सेप्ट, रिमेम्बर द फॉर्मूलाज, मेथड, और उसके बाद करेंगे जल्दी जल्दी से कुछ क्वेश्चंस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फॉर्मूलाज. So if an inlet pipe can fill a tank in X hours, which implies part of the tank filled by the pipe in 1 hour is going to be 1 over X. Also, if an outlet pipe can empty a tank in Y hours, then what will happen? This implies part of the tank emptied by the pipe in 1 hour will be equal to 1 over Y. Another thing, this, let's call it 1 and 2. Third part, if a pipe can fill a tank, अगर एक पाइप आपके टैंक को फिल कर रहा है in X hours, and another pipe can empty the full tank in Y hours, then we'll have various cases. Okay. So then on opening both the pipes, if अगर हम दोनों pipes open कर देते हैं तो we'll have two cases. Case one is when y is greater than x. Okay. Then what will happen? In that case, the part of the tank filled in 1 hour will be equal to 1 over x minus 1 over y. That means, which means if you solve 1 over x minus 1 over y, what will you get? You will get y minus x over xy. तो ये तो 1 घंटे की बात हुई. तो total time taken to fill the tank will be, so therefore total time taken to fill the tank is going to be xy upon y minus x. I hope it's clear. Let's talk about case number 2. अब यहां पर क्या है? When x is greater than y. When x is greater than y. अब यहां क्या होगा? The part of the tank emptied in 1 hour, that is going to be, of course, 1 over y minus 1 over x. So let's quickly solve it. We'll get x minus y upon xy. ये तो आपका 1 घंटे की बात हो रही है. तो ओवरऑल पूरा का पूरा टाइम कितना लगेगा? So therefore, the time taken to empty the tank will be equal to xy upon x minus y. So ये बहुत बेसिक सी चीजें थी. इसके बाद आ जाते हैं पार्ट 4. If a pipe can fill the tank in x hours, another pipe can fill the tank in y hours. ये रहा आपका टैंक. एक पाइप आपका x hours में फिल कर रहा है, एक पाइप को y hours लग रहे हैं. ठीक है. Then on opening both the pipes together, what will happen? Can somebody tell me that? Yes. The part of the tank filled in 1 hour. We did in last page. अगर मैं आपके पास वापस लास्ट पेज पे आऊं तो यहाँ देखिए, मैंने आपको बताया था 1 घंटे में 1 over x और empty के लिए 1 over y. तो यहाँ पर अगर 1 घंटे की बात हो रही है, the part of the tank filled in 1 hour is going to be 1 over x plus 1 over y. So which implies time taken to fill the tank will be equal to, just solve it, x plus y over xy. ये 1 hour था, इसी का reciprocal xy over x plus y will give you the answer. Moving on to the last formula. If a pipe, I'll just, instead of writing, I'm just telling you, if a pipe can fill the tank in x hours, pipe A can fill the tank in x hours. There is one more pipe B which fills the tank in y hours. And there is third pipe C which can empty the full tank in z hours. Then opening all the pipes together, when opening all the pipes together, what will happen then? The parts of the tank filled in 1 hour will be equal to 1 घंटे का x के साथ, a का 1 घंटे में 1/x प्लस 1/y माइनस 1/z। ओके, तो अगर आप इसका एलसीएम लेके इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो आपको क्या आंसर मिलेगा? द टाइम टेकन टू फिल द टैंक in 1 hour will be equal to xyz. So yz plus xz minus xy, right? And total time. So therefore, total time taken to fill the tank will be equal to xyz over yz plus xz minus xy. So ये है वो formulas which we are going to use in the concept of pipes and cisterns in the topic, right? Let me give you a quick revision of all the formulas. पहली चीज, if an inlet pipe can fill a tank in x hours, then part of the tank filled by the pipe in 1 hour is going to be 1 by x. ठीक है, ये चीज हमने we have already done this in class 10th also. If an outlet pipe can empty a tank in y hours, then what will happen? The part of the tank emptied by the pipe in 1 hour is going to be 1/y. Now, there are times when both the pipes are open. The inlet and outlet, both the pipes are open. In that case, we'll have two cases. Maybe x, the value of x is more than y, then there is a different case. The value of y is greater than x, then that is a different case. So we'll have to work accordingly. When y is greater than x, then what will happen? The part of the tank filled in 1 hour is going to be 1/x minus 1/y. You take LCM, solve, and you will get your answer as xy over y minus x as overall answer. जब आप सिर्फ LCM निकाल के इसे solve कर रहे हैं, in that case you are finding the result for 1 hour. But when you are reciprocating their value, you will get result for whole, content. Then we have a second case in which when x is greater than y. So when x is greater than y, what will happen? The part of the tank emptied in 1 hour is going to be 1/y minus 1/x. Again, you take LCM, you will get 1 hour ka x minus y over xy. So the time taken to empty the tank, the whole tank is going to be xy over x minus y. There's another case when we have two pipes, both are inlet pipes, and we want to know in how much time both the pipes are filling the tank. In that case, we'll find out 1 घंटे में कितना x का, 1 घंटे में कितना second pipe कर रहा है fill, और उसके बाद we are going to add the 1 hour का content, and then again reciprocating, and we'll get the answer. So that is what is mentioned here. If a pipe can fill the tank in x hours, another pipe can fill the tank in y hours, then both the pipes are opened together, the part of the tank filled in 1 hour is going to be 1/x plus 1/y. And total time taken to fill the tank is going to be, after solving it, taking the reciprocal of the result will give you the answer. Moving further, this is the last case when A, B, and C, we have three pipes. Two are inlet pipe, A and B, and C is the outlet pipe, where the tank is empty. So ये outlet pipe ये leakage भी हो सकती है. Okay. So now then opening, when all the pipes are open, then what will happen? The part of the tank filled in 1 hour, A के लिए 1/x. For B it's going to be 1/y. For C it's going to be 1/z. ठीक है, empty के लिए. So what will happen? We add 1/x plus 1/y because यहाँ पर tanks are getting filled. But we are going to subtract 1/z because from this case the tank is getting emptied. Now taking LCM, solving, you will get this answer, and then taking reciprocal, this is going to be the final result. I have given you final result. That doesn't mean you'll have to directly put the value and you are getting the answer. No, these are application based formulas where you are taking LCM, solving it, and then giving us answer. So please, when you are going to have subjective paper this session, so I request you all to go step by step. Don't miss any step. Don't go directly to the formula. Just move step by step. I hope it's clear. Now let's start solving questions. I'm not going to solve many questions in this video, but another video, I'm going to make one more video where we'll be solving only questions based on pipes and cisterns. So let's talk about few questions. Question number 1. A pump can fill a tank with water in 20 minutes, and another pump can fill the same tank in 30 minutes. If both the pumps are opened together, then how much time will be taken to fill the tank completely? So this is your question. This is a very basic question which I have picked up. A pump can fill a tank with water in 20 minutes. There's one more pump which can fill the same tank in 30 minutes. If both the pumps are open together, then how much time will be taken to sorry, to fill the tank completely? Let's quickly solve. I hope you are clear how to solve the problem. Let's do it. Part of the tank filled by first pump in 1 minute is equal to, is as it is mentioned that it's 20 minutes whole tank. So 1 minute it's going to be 1 by 20. Similarly, part of the tank filled by second pump in 1 minute is going to be how much? Absolutely 1 by 30. So therefore, part of the tank filled by both the pumps in 1 minute, how is it going to be? It's going to be 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So when you take LCM, you will get 60 and 3 plus 2, which will give you 5 by 60, that is 1 by 12. So therefore, what I told you, we have to take the reciprocal. So the time taken to fill the tank is going to be 12 minutes. And this is the required solution. I hope the question is clear to everybody. Now let's solve one more question. This question which I'm going to discuss is not as simple as the previous one, but it's not that difficult too. The question is, two pipes, A and B, can fill a tank in 24 minutes and 32 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, after how much time B should be closed so that the tank is full in 18 minutes. Let me read the question once again. Two pipes, A and B, can fill a tank in 24 minutes and 32 minutes, respectively. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, this is a tank. Okay, this is tank. ये आपका pipe. This is your pipe A, and this is your pipe B. I'm not very good in drawing, so I hope you are able to figure out what I'm trying to portray. So these are two pipes, pipe A and pipe B. Now both are opened, and they are opened simultaneously. Now if both the pipes are opened, so after how much time B should be closed so that the tank is full in 18 minutes? That is what we need to find out. So let's understand what is happening and what we have to do here. Let's see what is given in the question. Pehli cheez which is given to us, that two pipes A and B can fill the tank in 24 minutes and 32 minutes. So let's write down that. Pipe A can fill a tank in 24 minutes, right? Which implies pipe A can fill a tank in 1 minute is going to be 1 by 24. Also, it is given that pipe B can fill the tank in 32 minutes, which implies pipe B can fill the tank in 1 minute. Absolutely, it's going to be 1 by 32. Now we have to suppose, let the time after which pipe B should be closed is equal to how much? Let's say it's X minutes. That means if I am taking the time after which pipe B should be closed is X minutes, that means the time in which pipe A only fills the tank, वो कितना होगा? Fills the tank. How much is it going to be? It's going to be 18 minus X minutes. Why 18 minus X? Because the question says if both the pipes are open, then after how much time B should be closed so that tank is full in 18 minutes, right? So that is why we are writing 18 minus X minutes. So now I think we should shift to the next page now. I hope it's clear. So now, therefore, in X minutes, both A and B are filling. In X minutes, both A and B are filling how much tank? Filling the tank is equal to X into 1 by 24 plus 1 by 32. ऐसा मैंने क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि X मिनट दोनों पाइप्स चल रहे थे. If you see ध्यान से क्वेश्चन को आप पढ़ें तो ये मेंशन किया गया है that two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 24 and 32 minutes. अगर दोनों पाइप ओपन है then after how much time B should be closed? That means there is X time जब आपका B चल रहा है, B का पाइप जो है वो ऑन है, फिल हो रहा है उससे आपका टैंक. That means X time तक दो पाइप्स वर्क कर रहे थे, पानी टैंक का फिल हो रहा था. So 1 by 24 plus 1 by 32, that will be multiplied with x time. I hope it's clear to you all. Also, in 18 minus x minutes, pipe A only fills the tank. X minutes, both the pipes are working, and after x minutes, that means 18 में से आप x minutes को you subtract x minutes from 18, so only one pipe is working, which is pipe A. So what we'll do 18 minus x and we'll multiply it with by 1 by 24, right? So therefore what we'll have to do, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो जो वर्क हो रहा है वो कैसे हो रहा है, the process of working is x minutes both the pipe are working and trying to fill the tank, plus after 18 minus x minutes only one pipe is working, which is equal to 1. अब ये 1 क्यों लगाया? Basically work कितना हो रहा है, काम कितना हो रहा है, टैंक कितना फिल हो रहा है, टैंक तो एक ही है जो फिल हो रहा है, so there's only one work which is happening, that's why we are putting equals to 1. I hope it's clear. Now let's quickly solve it. X, let's take LCM of 24 and 32. We'll get 2, 12, 16, then 2, 6, 8, and again 2, 3, 4. And if you solve all of them, you multiply them, you will get 96. So LCM of 24 and 32 is 96. Okay, so you will get 4 plus 3 plus 18 minus x upon 24 equals to 1. Further, what will you get? 7x upon 96 plus 18 minus x over 24 equals to 1. Again, taking LCM, 96 and 24. The LCM is going to be 96. As simple. You will get 7x, okay, plus 72 minus 4x equals to 1. So, later on, 7x minus 4x becomes 3x plus 72. Cross multiply, you will get 96. This will give you x, let's take 3 common, x plus 24 equals to 3 into 32, cancelled. You will get x plus 24 equals to 32, which will give you x equals to 8. So let's write down the result. So hence, after x is equal to 8 minutes, B should be closed so that the tank is full in 18 minutes. I hope the problem is clear to you all. For more similar problems and its solutions, do watch more videos from the playlist and help your friends by sharing the videos and its content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.